Hi, happy Thursday evening. Tonight I'm going to be sharing with you a quick eyeshadow look. We're going to use a new limited edition lip gloss, and I'm going to show you, for starters, the difference between wearing a bronzer. I have a bronzer over on this side, and not wearing a bronzer. Like, I don't have a bronzer on this side, so we're going to do the bronzer together, but I think it is so crazy the difference that it can make. So, as you hop on here, go ahead and tell me hi. Let me know you're watching. Make sure you leave a comment down below because that does enter you to win my weekly giveaways. So, I give away a product every time I go live, and you just have to comment down below to get yourself entered in to win that product. So, make sure you do that. Leave your comment down there. Let us know where you're watching from. Tell us what you like from tonight's live as well, and ask any questions you have. I always am here to answer any questions that you have about the skincare, makeup items, tips, tricks, anything like that, or if you want to see something specific. So thank you for joining us. All right, let's get started with the bronzer. Like I said, so this bronzer, it's limited edition. You can see here in my palette, this one's the medium glow. That's the one I use every day. This one is deep glow. I don't use that one as often. In the summertime, I use it a little bit just because it's a little bit darker. But when I am a little bit more pale, I haven't been out in the sun so much, I use this medium glow over here. Now, mine is so used because these launched I want to say last summer they were launched. But there was a problem with production. So they were coming cracked, and so then they pulled them from production, and we really didn't get a chance to sell them very much. So I did stock up on some for myself because it's my favorite bronzer ever. I love this bronzer so much. We had it a few years ago, so I knew I loved it when it came out, and I've been begging for it to come back. It's one of my favorite makeup items, so I use it every single day. I love bronzer. I prefer bronzer over contour just because it's a little bit more giving or forgiving. It's got kind of, you can see, I should have actually put a new one in here. Next time I do this, I'll put a new one in here. But you can see, even with the deep one, you can see how it's got that kind of like swirl to it. So same with this one. You can see this swirl is lighter, but you can see that swirl and that shimmer. So it's going to make it, when you're applying it to your face, it's not such a stark color. It's also kind of adding that little bit of shimmer, and it's going to just be a little bit lighter as well. So I love bronzer. It is a part of, if I'm going to do my makeup, I'm going to put a little bit of bronzer on. I always am. So you can see over on this side, it just looks a little bit more glowy. It's great for summertime. It's hard to stop it on my forehead. So my forehead's kind of like mixed in the middle here. But over on this side, you can see, I feel like it makes your forehead look smaller when you do apply it right along your forehead line versus not having it. This side just looks so stark. It's all the exact same color. It's kind of more like ghostly. I feel like it just washes you out when you don't use any contour or any bronzer like this or a blush. But I prefer the contour. I just think it gives kind of that more of like no makeup look. It doesn't make it stand out as much, where the blush, sometimes you can be like, oh my gosh, she's got way too much blush on. You can like tell immediately. Bronzer, I don't feel like that. I feel like you can really kind of hide it a little bit more, and it just looks natural. It just glows. So I feel like the other thing on this side is you can see where my like cheekbone is, right? So it's like contours that cheekbone a little bit, versus over on this side, it's non-existent. You can't see it. It just looks very washed out. So there's a big difference. Then the other place I apply it is right here along my chin line. So that's again going to give you kind of like the chiseled jawline look a little bit more than having absolutely nothing. So if you are wearing something that's a little bit lower, I bring my bronzer down. So I'm going to apply it too with my cheek brush. But if I'm wearing like an off-the-shoulder shirt and it's still spring and maybe I don't have a tan, or it's winter and again, don't have a tan, you can always take like your big fluffy brush and just apply that down your neck. You can apply it across your chest. It's amazing what a difference it makes. So bronzers, these are limited edition. I wish they were forever. I wish they never left because they are truly like my favorite, one of my very, very favorite makeup items. I cannot recommend them enough. So grab them while they're here. They're a limited edition. They're on my website. So again, this one's the medium glow, lighter color, think. That's the one I'm going to use today. This one's the deep glow. So this one is for if you have like a little bit more of a darker complexion. So both colors, it just depends which one you want, but I recommend them so much. I love them. But grab them while they are around. So I did link my website. I'm going to apply this now. So I'm going to start adding this. Hi, Angie. Hello. Thanks for joining me tonight. So you can see I'm just going to apply this kind of like right along my cheekbone, like I said. And you can always apply a little bit more to begin with. We're going to blend it out. So you can always apply a little bit more. I did in the description add my website. And I know it looks scary right now, but I promise it's going to blend out. So my website, if you place an order this weekend or from tonight until Saturday night, so for the rest of February, is kind of like a love gift because I didn't do one yet, which all of a sudden it hit me and I was like, I usually do one on a live or I announce it on a live, but I hadn't done any kind of February love special yet. So I wanted to do that. So anyway, tonight through Saturday night, if you place an order, a $50 order on my website, or you can message me, either way, you are going to get a gift in the mail from me too. So they'll come separately if you order on my website, just because right now they just switched the website recently, where when you place an order on my website, it automatically ships. So it goes so quickly because they have a new system that automatically ships it. So if you order on my website, then you will get a second package from me. I will be sending out from my home. But if you message me and order, then they might come together. So anyway, you'll get a couple packages though. So anyway, $50 orders tonight through Saturday night. All right, so you can see I'm just kind of like blending this out, making sure we don't have any harsh lines. But it makes such a big difference. The other thing is you can use it on your nose as well to like contour your nose. Something that I don't do this regularly. I used to though. So we'll give it a shot. You can just kind of add it right along the edge here. So you can see kind of have a line here. The same thing on the other side. And this is again gonna make your nose look a little bit smaller. So this is definitely an extra step. Like I said, I don't usually do this, but I kind of forgot about it, to be honest. We'll do it tonight, just so you can see all the ways you can contour. You can use this bronzer so many ways. It's, like I said, one of my favorite makeup items. All right, then we're just gonna blend that out. But the cheeks, the forehead, and the like right there along that chin line, I do it every single time I apply my makeup. I think it makes a huge difference. And it also, especially as we're going into spring and summer, it makes such a big difference with kind of giving you that like bronzy sun-kissed look. Speaking of another limited edition item that if you loved before, I think it's been around since I've joined Mary Kay, but it's the sun gel and it's amazing. It's like this blue aloe sun gel. And if you love that, it's also back, but it's only back while supplies last. So again, limited edition. So if you love that, grab that while you're on my website too. Okay, we're gonna use this crayon tonight. I love these new eyeshadow sticks. They're so pretty. This one I'm using tonight is probably my most used one. It's Copper Nova. So I always apply it right on my lid and then kind of blend it out. So I'll show that in just a second. This one's so pretty for brown eyes, blue eyes, green eyes. All right, I'm gonna use the all over eyeshadow brush to blend this out, make sure I don't have any harsh lines. And we're gonna add another color to it too. But I love these. They don't crease. So the old ones I feel like used to crease a little bit. These new ones do not crease at all, which I love. You can layer them or you can just wear it on its own. I think this is actually a really pretty color all on its own. You don't have to add anything else to it if you do not want to. I'm going to, just so I can show you. some different combinations, but you do not have to. So again, that one is the Copper Nova. All right, I'm gonna take a little bit of crystalline with my brush again and just put it in the inner corner so that kind of brightens it up a little bit. Oh, I want to do my lip gloss too so you can see that. Okay, so I just put it in the inner corner and then pull a little bit towards the middle just so it blends. All right, I had you vote which of the new lip glosses you wanted to see. So we've got 3 new lip glosses. They're super pretty. At the end, I'll put them all on my hand so you can see each of them. But you guys voted for the lilac one, is the one you wanted to see on tonight. It's light and really pretty. I think it's perfect for spring. It's not too dark at all. I posted a picture recently of the red one, so if you want to see the red one, I did use that one. I love how creamy and bright the red one is. Okay, so there's the lilac. Again, limited edition, same formula. It's just really pretty for spring, I think. All right, back to the eyes. Let's use... We'll use a little bit of mahogany. Actually, I take that back. We're gonna use the bronzer. I'm gonna use just a little bit of this bronzer on my eye blending brush. So now you can see, you can literally use this bronzer not just for your face, you can even use it for your eye color. So this is the medium glow bronzer that I'm using. The dark one would be really pretty with this too. You can see this one has kind of like a coppery look to it. If you use the deep one, it would be really pretty as well. But these limited edition things, make sure you grab them because they really truly will not last very long. It always surprises me how quickly some of these sell out, especially the bronzers and the sun gel. The bronzers, I love the bronzers so much. And so many other people do too, especially just because the bronzers and the sun gels we've had around before. So many customers and so many consultants love them because they know that they've had them before. So you don't wait too long on those. Hi Carla, thank you. Yeah, so we've got the bronzer up there we used a little bit of the crystalline on the inner corner. And then just in the middle is the Copper Nova liquid, or not liquid, eyeshadow crayon. There we go. All right, now let's just add a little bit of mascara. Okay. Tune back in with me next week. I'll probably use, this was our second most voted lip gloss that you guys wanted to see. And this one was Rose Noir. So if you guys want to see that one, come back next week. I'll do a look kind of featuring that one a little bit. And like I said, the red one I put on not too long ago is so pretty for especially like Valentine's Day and spring, something a little bit brighter. But I love how neutral this one is. So tell me down below, which one do you like the best out of the 3 new? I'll show them to you on the back of my hand too. Let me get one coat of mascara on and then I'll put them on the back of my hand so you can see them. And this is the Lash Panorama mascara. It's my favorite. I think it just does such a good job lengthening and also volumizing. But the Great Heights mascara just came out with a waterproof version not too long ago too. So if you like waterproof mascara, that one's great as well. All right, so this is the Rose. It's creamy. It's a little bit darker. So pretty. Okay, there we've got the Rose. And again, they're the same formulas as the regular lip glosses. So they have the vitamin E in them. They have the sunflower oil in them. They are going to hydrate your lips really well. Here's the cherry. And last but not least is the lilac one that I put on today. So the cherry and the rose are both cream based. This lilac one is a shimmer. So which one do you like the very best? Tell us down below which one's your very favorite. Again, which one would you use? They're so pretty though. So we've got those are limited edition. The Sun Gel is limited edition. The bronzer is limited edition. Then there's also a bundle of a hand lotion and a shea butter for your lips. So like a butter balm. And that is limited edition. Let me think, is there anything I'm missing? There's one regular line new item, and that is the new hydrating mask, which is, I have really been liking it. It's replacing the old moisture gel renewing mask. So if you love the moisture gel renewing mask, make sure you grab that before they're all gone. But this new one is kind of a cream based instead of a gel based, and you can sleep in it so you don't have to rinse it off. I slept in it last night and I felt like my skin was just so soft and so rejuvenated this morning. So loved that. I think those are all the limited edition things though. I feel like I'm missing one, but I don't think I am. I can't think of anything in my head right now. So anyway, those are all the new products right now. Like I said, you can order them right off of my website. I linked it, and that promo goes through this Saturday. So tonight, tomorrow, and Saturday. If you order $50, that's when you're going to get that free gift from me. So I hope you liked this demo. It was just quick and simple. You can recreate this look, anybody can, and you can do it really quickly too. So I hope this was helpful, but I will see you guys back here next week. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you have a wonderful evening. Bye.